This is a block west of the house. This is January 7th, 07.
Load of dead cows.
Got a load of dead cows there.
This is the high school parking lot.
Parking lot at the football field. This is the hospital. After a week.
This is one of the front loaders that was removing snow last night. And they parked all the dump trucks with their beds up in the air so the sun can melt the snow. They're all parked up here at the community building.
This is north of town.
It's Sunday, January 14th, still snowing. It's January 21st. We had another 6 to 8 inches of snow yesterday and last night. Sun's out bright and pretty, but it's 21 degrees, so it's colder than it looks. Must be at least 18 inches of snow in the backyard. From all the snows, it will be summer before it's gone. Looks like I get to uncover my car again. Our poor sidewalk been shoveled about 4 times. It's full again. No point in shoveling it out now. If the wind blows at least a little bit, it fills right back up. Bushes in front of the house are totally covered. Santa's tractor is stuck till spring, I think.
That features a sweetheart neckline, shoulder straps, impressive rings, several converted bread, jubilees, glass beads, floors, crystals. In this booklet, Marcy's skirt, bright touch by Stephen Jeffrey, proves the promise actions to a bright pink look and a cold Capri vest.
He has to go back to work and hold me. I'm DJing.
Jesse is wearing a varnished jacket with beaded edge neckline, treated with empty covers, and varnished with angled base accents. The given treatment shows the inside of the skirt, same like the people translated with fully skilled and breathtaking. This hair is a double layer myself, flower pattern, hairline, including insulation treatment. The veil is an elbow with a wood flat veil and every color of myself. The veil is designed to offer very separated and Ankly strapless neckline and is embellished with a rhinestone and crystal trim in white and silver. It has a billowy skirt with pull-ups, a zipper back, and a chapel-length train. The headpiece is adorned with many pearl starbursts and includes a circular fingertip-length veil, edged in silver, and scattered with pearls and rhinestones. Her lovely diamond necklace, ring, and bracelet can be found at Riddle's. The attractive bouquet she is carrying was designed exclusively by Impressions Everlasting on East 27th Street in Ames. The floral ensemble adds a touch of stylish whimsy with white-colored feathers and beads. The bouquet features a cluster of white hydrangeas accented with bright rubrum lilies for a attention-grabbing combination against both dresses. Next we have Tiffany. Tiffany is wearing an Impressions gown in claret black. The spaghetti strap gown is made of taffeta and features a claret vampire waisted bodice with black beading and sequins. The skirt features gathers at the claret sash. The beautiful bouquet